Join us for a fun day walking around beautiful Copenhagen, Denmark. We'll explore some of the city's most iconic spots, charming streets, and hidden gems, all in just one day. We stayed just a short walk from Copenhagen Central Station, super convenient for getting around the city. From there, we hopped on the metro train and made our way to our first stop at Frederik's Kirke. Frederik's Kirke, better known as the Marble Church, is one of Copenhagen's most iconic landmarks. Its massive green copper dome is actually one of the largest in Northern Europe, and you can spot it from all over the city. The construction started in the 1700s, but it took more than 150 years to finish. This beautiful church is open to visitors at no cost with free admission. For our second stop, we took a short 10-minute walk from Frederik's Kirke to Amalienborg Palace, the official residence of the Danish royal family. We spent some time strolling around the beautiful square of Amalienborg Palace, right in the heart of Copenhagen. The complex is made up of 4 elegant palaces arranged around an octagonal courtyard, a stunning example of Danish Rococo architecture. At the center of the square stands a majestic equestrian statue of King Frederik V. We also witnessed the famous Exchange of the Guard. The Royal Lifeguards, dressed in their iconic blue tunic uniforms and bearskin hats, marched in perfect formation. For our third stop, we walked past Kongens, or the King's Garden, one of Copenhagen's oldest and favorite parks. Even though it was late winter and the trees were bare, the quiet paths and open spaces still felt really peaceful. You could definitely picture how green and lively it gets in spring and summer. For our fourth stop, from Kongens, we caught a stunning view of Rosenborg Castle, a true gem of Copenhagen's history. Built in the early 1600s, This Renaissance-style castle was once the royal family's summer residence and now houses the Danish crown jewels and royal artifacts. The castle is surrounded by lush gardens, including the famous rose garden. Even though the roses weren't blooming yet, the garden's beautiful landscape and neat paths made it a peaceful and lovely place to explore. We stepped inside the castle grounds to really take in the beautiful architecture up close. The intricate details of the Renaissance-style buildings are stunning, with elegant windows, decorative stonework, and charming towers. We continued our walk, taking in the beautiful architecture all around us. Those charming brick buildings, elegant details, and rooftops that give Copenhagen so much character. The streets were lined with shops, cafes, and cozy spots that made us want to stop and look around every few steps. We also saw the Round Tower, such an eye-catching landmark right in the middle of the city. For our last stop, we made our way to Strøget, Copenhagen's most famous shopping street. You'll find everything here, from big-name high-fashion brands to charming local shops.
Vallahi devam.